We are officially back. Honestly, I stopped working out these past few months. Lack of motivation at the same time. Nawalan lang din ng time and burned out. Sa lahat naman sa atin nangyayari naman yun eh. It's totally normal. Job, business, of course, life in general. Maraming bagay outside fitness na kailangan din natin i-handle. Just like me, nawala ako sa track, wala akong consistent na workout, at the same time, wala rin ako maayos na food intake. So ito yung naging physique ko nun. I think this was last year, and ito naman nung early this year, skinny fat, kasi hindi na maganda yung food intake ko. So ganun yung nangyayari sa akin before. Ano nga ba yung mga ginawa ko in order to get back on track? First of all, of course, life happens. Like me, may mga napakadaming downs these past few years. Napakadaming challenges na kailangan unahin instead of going to the gym. So, kung na-fell off track ka, take a little step back and then try to regain your consistency, and eventually, mas maganda pa ipa-progress mo than before. So first thing na nakatulong sa akin is building the small habits. Try to start with the simplest thing that you can do or you can commit into. So for example, yung pag-incorporate ng mga vegetables or mga fruits back into your diet na hindi naman kailangan drastic change kagad. Next is by reading books, at least 10 to 20 pages per day, just to gain some words or knowledge every single day. Yung simplest form of activity, which is yung walking, na hindi kailangan intense ka agad. Para once na ma-incorporate mo na siya sa system mo, doon na mag-start ulit mag-build up na it is a part of your day. So next naman is the repetition over intensity. Very important thing is do not rush things out. Kung before kaya mong bumuhat ng 40 kg, it was months or a year ago, pagbalik mo, try to start with the smallest weight or the basics ulit para hindi ka ma-injure. So for example sa akin, before na pag 200 kg ako ng squats, pero natigil ako, yung last competition ko was around 2023 pa. Ito yun. Sobrang tagal na nung competition ko na yan. I haven't competed since that time. Di rin ako nakapag-train ng legs for about a year. Pero ngayon, nung binabalik ko siya, nag-start ako with the 100 or 120 kg muna. Sobrang bigat na bigat na ako nun, pero wala eh. Kailangan kong i-work ulit yung weight ko up to there. Kaya sa biglayin ko siya with the 200 kg, which makes no sense, diba? Kasi nga, na-fell off track ako. If may mga iba kang bagay na pinag-aabalahan, it's totally normal. Kung pupukpukin mo lang yung sarili mo na natigil ka, sisipin mo lagi kung paano ko ulit mag-start, walang mangyayari, di ba? Okay, so last but not the least is building the momentum. So ito na nga, once na na-build mo na yung small habit, na-build mo na yung consistency, nandyan yung momentum. You gotta ride along the momentum. So momentum doesn't mean na motivated ka palagi. Again, that's one of the mistake na nagawa ko before, na nagre-rely lang ako sa motivation to go out to the gym, to work, to do things na importante. Building momentum, it all starts with the habit, the proper habits, and eventually magiging form of discipline na siya, na kapag tuloy-tuloy mo na siyang ginagawa, it will propel you forward, which is yun yung momentum mo. Pwede ka na mag-set ng mga next plans, ng mga next goals, since nandun ka na sa proseso. Another thing na nakatulong sa akin is by being process-oriented, which means meron akong sineset na goal, pero as much as possible, realistic siya at hindi ko minamadali. By being process-oriented, you are focusing more on what's in here, on what are you doing, what should I be doing day in and day out. So kapag ginawa mo yung process-oriented approach kasi, hindi mo ma-overlook kung ano yung mga bagay na ginagawa or kailangan mong gawin. So kapag nakarating ka na doon sa goal na yun, since nakafocus ka nga sa process, magugulat ka na lang na, oy, nakabalik na pala ako on track. So yun yung insights ko when it comes to getting back on track. So far, ito yung progress natin. From here, 83 kg, nag-cut down tayo dito sa 74 kg. So start small, repetition over intensity, and then eventually there's the momentum. That's how you get back on track. Since nakabalik na rin tayo sa workout, nakabalik na rin tayo sa good nutrition, hopefully magtuloy-tuloy na ulit. Actually na-focus din tayo sa coaching, which is ito, Hassle Fit Coaching. pwede nyo siyang check. Pati na rin dito sa business natin, which is yung Hustlerics Clothing Brand. So now that we are back, we'll try to do more out of these things. Sana nakatulong and kita-kits tayo next time.